So how can you remove the light notification on iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important in the future. Okay, so as you can see, you have the flash next to your camera, and it can be used to also notify you about incoming calls and other notifications. So to turn that off, you need to open up the settings and find the accessibility section. Part of accessibility, go to the audio and visual section. You'll need to scroll down just a little bit. And then at the bottom entirely of this menu, we have the LED flash for alerts. And it can be turned on generally, or also you can manage the silent mode or unlocked state of the phone and whether or not it should also use the flash notifications for those states. But at the end of the day, you can see this is where it gets done, right? This is where you decide. However, you can also check out the specific notification section and manage which apps can or cannot deliver notifications, but this has nothing to do with the LED flash, right? You just manage which apps can deliver notifications and alerts to you. But that's how it works. That's basically everything I wanted to show you in this video. So if you like what you see and want to stay tuned for more quick guides and tutorials like this one, hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you do not miss anything important in the future. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.